Air conditioning systems operate by circulating a refrigerant, either a liquid or a gas, which cools the interior of a room by removing heat outside. The warm air in the room is drawn towards the evaporator, where it will heat the liquid refrigerant, transforming it into a gas at low pressure. The fluid passes into a compressor, where it is heated even more. A condenser and a fan expel to the outside the heat accumulated by the gas, which returns to a liquid state. The regulator lowers the pressure and temperature of the liquid. The fluid returns cold to the evaporator, which expels it into the room to be cooled. But air conditioners have a negative impact on the climate. They consume a lot of energy, and the refrigerants they contain are major contributors to greenhouse gas pollution, both during their manufacture and use.